Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video I will try to convert the $100 to probably 5k. It's gonna make me happy, but this is gonna be my first trade. I will try to manage this account and do not over risk, because you know it's so risky to compound these small accounts. You can just lose everything in a trade. Okay, so this QM right here, this is the supply area for me. I'll be waiting for this one to come up so I can take my trade. It seems it's rejecting before coming up. Let's see if I guess. Let's go. I go 50 bucks right here with the buyers. Hopefully we're not gonna lose this. And let's see. I will just take the best trades because okay, this is a doji right here and the market's dropping. The next support area is going to be this broken resistance, and let's see, we'll place this right here. Oh man, it's a losing trade. Oh no, let's see. Okay, I added right here. I know it will reject. We just saved the previous trade, right? Yeah, this is another common point of rejection, that the market can react. All right, thank God. We're break even yet. And let's see what we can do for this challenge. I personally do not trade this way. My older followers know that. But I'm just doing this for fun because I just had my withdrawal yesterday. And now I just want to do some fun. Alright, this is a doji, but I wouldn't take this sell, to be honest, because it can be a swing doji, right? We don't have a range for that. Okay, this is a proper doji. Yes. It seems that this is a respected support area and it decided to be broken. But this is a doji, right? So I can't trust this doji. Alright, if it closes exactly here, I will take this sell. It didn't. Okay, this is Marbuzu. I take this sell and I take this buy right here with the rest of the money. Let's get it. You know that the Marbuzu candles are reversal candles, just like a reversal hammer candle. It can give us a reverse, the opposite candle for the next trade if we have enough reasons. And here you can see this doji has worked once and now it's breaking again. So that's a doji trade. And Marbuzu candle, it is not exactly closing at the seller's area, but let me just see. Oh, it's a break. It can be a breakout trade, but since we don't have lower low after the second touch, it's a bit risky as a breakout. So we stick to the doji and Marbuzu. Let's see. Okay, this one was a winning trade and this one was a losing trade. We're still at break even. Okay, we got this QM down here. Yes, it has engulfed. Go to lower time frame. Oh, it's already reacting from the supply, so we missed this opportunity on that one. Yeah, we should just be careful with today's trades. I will enter this trade with margin of safety. If it comes down, I will enter because I assume that this candle also will have a shadow like this. Plus we are in this ranging market. Come on, let's go. I go with the buyers right now. I will add the rest of this right here. Let's go. Boom. and I'm expecting a green candle. We are with the trend, and we are basically on the range, like the support area of this ranging market, and we're expecting upward movement in this case. Beautiful. All right, we have a little bit of progress right now. We just keep looking for the best possible trades, and do not get frustrated. Not gonna take random trades. All right. You know where this is reacting from? It's reacting from this little supply right here, but since it was too big, I didn't really consider it. I just refined that to this one. This one, but it never came off. That's fine. See big shadows, we can take advantage of that. Like if we were entering somewhere here, that'd be nice for this one. Since it's gapped down, it's in the favor of buyers. Can't trust it. Alright, we got a supply down here. I mean demand down here. Let's see if it's gonna come down. This is a QM. This is a QM, see? This is the QM zone. And this is the supply. We got the trend line. So if the candle comes down here, it's gonna be a good confluence for us. This QM trade, and this trend line is gonna reject this. Oh no. Okay, I add the trade right here. We always want to go with the trend, guys. Let's see if we're gonna win this. I take pretty small on this one. It's not a beautiful trade, to be honest, but it's just a trade. Let's see if we're gonna win that. Oh my god. That was close, man. Alright, we got a reversal candle. Let's go a small trade on this one as well. Reversal candle closing on the support, but since it's not a third touch support, it's gonna be a bit risky. But you know, the best reversing trades would be on this type of trade that we have first touch back there, second touch, and the hammer candle closing above the third touch. So we take the next trade, it goes up. This is risky. I'm still looking for a beautiful trade. I'm not able to find one. Alright. Let me see. Was a losing trade. Okay. I go with the buyers right now. Again, we got this range coming down. Okay, this way. So based on the past of the market, we should react after 2 consecutive red candle, and this is the common point of rejection. It means that when we have millions of rejections, we draw a common point between them, common line, and then the market will most likely reject from it. For example, these are my rejections. I draw this common line, getting all of them in a line like that, and then I place my entry. Let's go 2 more exactly on this rejection point. Okay, see, yeah. All right, we increase the risk a little bit. Let's get it. I don't know why people like compounding so much. Just normal trading is much better for me. Just take my trades and leave the charts. I take this seller right now. I will tell you why. I add 1 more. If it goes up, I will add another one. Okay, let me just draw this common point. If it goes up somewhere here, I will add the last $100 on this one. And I'm expecting a green candle. Okay, I mean red candle. If you look at here, this has been a resistance and it's breaking on the 3rd touch. And after the 2nd touch, we have created this lower low. So it fully meets the breakout rules. And this is a breakout trade, sign of exhaustion, market sequence. Look at that. Hold on a second. Isn't it similar? Shit. All right. My first entry was a little late, but yeah. So isn't it similar to this one? The market similarity? And yeah, breakout, 1st touch, 2nd touch, 3rd touch breaking that, we got the lower low. So this was a good trade, okay? And even if it was going up to this line, just like that, I would add right here. But since my first entry was a little late, we, lost this. I mean, we didn't lose, but we took 2 trades and one of them wins and one of them losses. That's fine. We're just gonna keep taking beautiful trades, and the outcome is going to be good. Okay, this is how trading works. I'm going to take this buy right here. And this one, if it comes down, we'll try to add to this. There we go. This is a red-green pattern. Oh my god. It's against the trend, but we are in a major support area. Okay. Market will start going up a little bit. And here, if we go with the sellers, it means that we're going against the market's overall direction. If you look, major support area, and now it's touching that area. It's trying to create some QM or something like that, and then start going up. Right? It wasn't the best trade, but still. Today's session is a bit weird. I haven't seen a single QM trade or single, nice. Okay, I go with the buyers right now. Let's go. 3 trades on this one. This is beautiful. Finally, we got some beautiful thing. Beautiful. I mean, ABC, right? Let me just try everything. We got this trend line. We got the inverted hammer on the trend line, reversal sign. Okay, trend line, reversal sign, ABC break. But look at this. ABC consists of a doji, right? And this can be a huge QM as well. Low, high, lower, low, and then higher, high. So basically we have everything lined up on this setup. That's why I risked a bit more. If it comes down, I will add more. All right, didn't come down. This was, I guess, the best trade on this session. To be honest, it's also with the trend. I think this is the best trade on this session. Yeah. It usually, happens if you keep looking for perfect trades. You're gonna find them. If you like to dedicate your an hour of your time, just look for best possible trades. You will find like 3 or 4 of them in an hour, okay? And that's just enough, right? If you even make it $200 in an hour, it's still a lot. Like people work for $17. People work an hour for $17. That's crazy, right? Oh, I forgot to say that it also has this gap down, another confirmation. So we got 5 confirmations for that trade. Okay, we got this decision point right here. That the market was coming down and then it created this resistance area, decided to break. So this area should be something. I go to the lower time frame, step by step. We already see a demand area down here, just like that. This is where the market will react from. Let's see if we have the smaller one. We don't have the smaller one. Okay, so we will try to take it, somewhere middle, because when we have a big demand, it can just go deep into it and then reject. Just look for best trades. All right, we got another one. Look at that. I want to take this buy right now, and I will tell you why. But since the candles have shadows, I will enter one more, and I will add one more if it comes down here, okay? The reason behind this trade, I've finally seen good setups, guys. All right, okay, come down. Come on. No. Alright, the reason behind this trade is simple. QM, right? You know what QM is? If you don't know, you have to watch the full video of QM. I added 2 more. Let's go. Beautiful. Alright, this is called QM. Just ABC to the downside, break the previous swing, right? And if we add the trend line, it's a beautiful confluence for us to take the trade. Like this is a QM continuation. So when we have a downtrend, break the previous swing. This is going to be our QM zone. I fully explained in that video. You can watch. The market comes down here, it will react. And now it has its own separate like confirmations. Like for example, in 3 minutes, we should see an engulf. And then in 1 minute, we should see the setup. And if we go to lower time frames, we should find a fresh supply or demand, which in this case is exactly this area. See, it touched here, it bounced up. Okay, so this was the QM trade. Yeah, and it's also combined with this trend line. This candle closed on the trend line. You know that when we have a trend line and the third touch is closing on the trend line, we can take the trade, right? So it's a beautiful confluence for us to take it. We have different kinds of QM. We have smaller ones, we have big ones like this one, which, you know, the bigger the QM gets, the more inaccurate it becomes. So you need to be careful. For example, this one, it's not going to have the confirmation on 3 minute time frame. It will be on 5 minute or 10 minute because it's just so many candles creating this QM. Okay. Okay, it's been about 24 minutes now, and we made 1,000, okay, from 100. What is the average salary of like a normal employee? Like, I don't know, but surely it's not 1,000 per hour, right? And we made that in 30 minutes. Some of you like do the same. Like, people text me saying that, oh, I converted my $100 to $2,000. I didn't withdraw it and I blow my account. Now I'm like, bro, what the hell? You made the money. You need to appreciate that and just get that shit out. What do you expect? You're expecting to, you know, turn $100 to $1 million? Just, you made the profit. Just get that shit out of the account and enjoy that. Okay, people work hard for, I don't know, for $200 per month in some countries, right? It's crazy. Okay, so if you're making money on, you know, from your small account, just withdraw that shit. Okay, I'm gonna go with the bars right now. Again, we got this beautiful doji, we got this QM up here. It's not the best QM, but it looks good to me. And I don't add more trades on this one because it can be a losing trade. Because we got this trend line, and then this trend line has been broken like that, so probably market's is going down. Yeah, it was a losing trade. I'll just keep looking. Oh my god, look at that. Do you remember this one? It reacted exactly from the middle. I told you we will enter at the middle, and we missed this opportunity. That's fine. We'll look for other pairs. It came up again, but it didn't reach our entry. This QM. All right. Alright, I increase the risk. Oh my god, what is happening here? down. I want to enter exactly right here if it comes down. Let's go. This is a rejection market. It means that every single candle can have a rejection, so it's better to just wait for it to move a little bit to the opposite side and then re-enter. And this is called margin of safety. It can save a lot of trades for you. All right, that was a winning trade. It just takes time. If you want to compound a small account, perhaps you need to, you know, take some breaks at the middle, because, you know, when someone gets frustrated, it has a great chance of placing random trades, taking bad trades, and then blowing the account. You know, compounding, I mean, increasing small accounts is the hardest. I'm adding the stocks. Why my connection so laggy? Hold on a second, let me just fix this shit. Okay, it's fixed now. Okay, it's faster now. Okay, we have a potential trade on this one. Third touch breakout, but it's gonna be against the trend. A bit risky right here. Let's go, I take it. If it goes up, I will add more. Okay, it's now so smooth. Okay, if it goes up, I will add one more, to be honest, on this one. Okay, add one more. Let's get it. We also have the QM down here. As you can see, we can add the trend line, QM as a Confluence. If you remember, we took one of the trades like that. Like, come on. It was a winning trade. Okay. We hit 2K now. We're close to 5K. It's the hardest thing ever to convert 100 to 5K. Definitely, I don't like that. But yeah, this is just a challenge, okay? It just makes me so frustrated while I can just, oh, look at that. Huge gap down. Come on. I will enter the last 6. No, it didn't give me that. Let's go. Oh, it opened on the next candle. No way. So unlucky. You know that if you enter at the last, I guess, 5 or 4 seconds on the candle, for example, like 5 seconds left from this candle, and you enter the trade, your trade's gonna be open on the next candle, okay? It's not gonna close on the same candle. It's gonna open on the next candle. And that's bad. All right. This is the QM that we're talking about. Let's see, we have yeah, we got this demand area. Oh my god, it just tapped on it. Come on, it's coming down again. Let's go. I have 2 trades right here. Let's get it. Hopefully these gonna be winning trades and make the previous loss. Beautiful. Let's get it. So we got 2 winning trades and 1 losing trade. The losing trade on this one was a mistake. I didn't mean to take a trade on this one. I was taking the trade on this one. But this one was beautiful because this is a QM. I marked the QM. Go to lower time frame to find the demand area. And this is the fresh demand area. We entered exactly here. Okay. And the candle closed above that. Okay, this candle. It's also with the trend, right? It has a trend line. Look at that. It has a trend line. First touch, second touch, third touch. We took two trades this way in this trading session. I will increase the risk. Frustration is kicking in. Oh, it's reacting exactly from the shoulder. No. My entry would be up here. It didn't come up. It's fine. Alright, we got the fresh supply exactly right here for this QM trade. Boom. And the QM itself is this one. Okay, so this is the QM zone and this is the entry. Okay, I want to take this trade with the sellers. I add one more up there. Beautiful. This entry is awesome. Okay, obviously we are at this ranging market. This is some kind of dojis. And then we got the supply area. The market is breaking that supply area. ABC to the downside is breaking the ABC. So we got the sellers into the game now. Let me see. We got this QM up there as well, but it does nothing with this trade. We win this beautiful trade. Let's get it. We're almost there. We're almost there. Look at this. Oh my god. Okay, here's the point about QMs. Okay, imagine you have a QM, right? It comes up, your entries, let's say your entry is up here. It comes up to your entry, you take it, and you win this. But if you have a QM that comes up first, it rejects so much, and it comes up, rejects, comes up to your entry, it's risky. We want something that is fast, okay? Fast retest QMs. For example, comes down, comes up immediately to your entry, and then it drops. But this one, it rejected from this shoulder once, it came up, you know, this is some failed pullback, and then it's just invalid, okay? Look at this one. Again, it came up, rejected. I want immediate upward movement like that. But it didn't happen here. So if you want to take those trades, you need to take it with a smaller amount. I'll show you. We took 2 trades. Look at this one. This is the QM that we took the trade, okay? We also added the trend line. If you remember, we took the trade on here. You can see that it just came down so fast. It's so clean, right? So this is the good one. Fast retest. We're just one trade away from the target, so I'm just going to be looking for a beautiful trade. Not ruin this channel. I mean, this challenge. I'd be looking for a beautiful trade. Alright, I want to take this doji right here. It's not only doji, obviously. We have been coming down for a while, like that, and then we broke the previous swing. So it means that we have some buyers activity going on here, and it created this QM down here. It touched the QM now. Let's go. I added 2 more. I need a big candle here. I don't know why it's hesitating to go up. Yeah, I need a big one. Let's get it. So this right here, it's breaking this doji. It's breaking this doji. It's breaking 2 dojis, right? Beautiful. One of the best trades. It doesn't look beautiful, but it's so beautiful because we're breaking 2 dojis here. You know that after doji break, we can have retracement for the new guys. And this is a QM. And it's clear reversal, right? We've been coming down, and all of a sudden we break the previous swing, right? So this is beautiful, combining QM with doji, 2 major setups. Okay, all right, the target was 5k, but now we hit the 7k. Yeah, it's pretty long video. It's about 40 minutes. I hope you enjoyed. I do not suggest doing this because it just makes you so tired and frustrated. Just stick to you know, making a couple of bucks daily and in peace with your small account. Do not try to do this because you can just blow up your account, especially if you're new. If you're a beginner, you cannot really detect the beautiful setups and the bad setups. Okay, make sure you join the Telegram channel. If you like this kind of video, smash that like button. Thank you for watching, everybody, and peace out.